How to find blocked accounts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. And here from the Account section, click on Privacy. And then scroll all the way down to the Interactions section. And from there, click on Blocked Accounts. And here you will be able to see and check all of your blocked list on TikTok. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and see the blocked list on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.